Wildfires are a significant danger to both wildlife and human beings, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. Therefore, it's crucial to have effective methods to suppress and control these wildfires. A firebreak is a cleared area or barrier designed to prevent the spread of fires. It can be created by removing vegetation, trees, and other combustible materials to create a gap that the fire cannot easily pass through. Firebreaks are often used as a strategic tool, allowing firefighters to control or redirect wildfires away from valuable assets or populated areas. Water is one of the most common and effective ways to suppress wildfires. There are several methods of using water for wildfire suppression. First one is the handheld equipment. Firefighters often use handheld equipment such as fire hoses, water backpacks, and portable pumps to spray water directly onto the fire. This method can help extinguish smaller fires or control the growth of larger ones. Second one is the aircraft. Aerial firefighting is another popular method of using water for wildfire suppression. Water bombers, helicopters, and fixed-wing aircraft equipped with tanks drop water or fire-retardant chemicals from the air directly onto the fire. This method can be particularly effective in hard-to-reach areas or during initial attack stages. Apart from water, various fire suppressant chemicals can be used to control and extinguish wildfires. These chemicals act by interrupting the fire's chemical reaction, or by creating a barrier between the fuel and oxygen. Some commonly used chemicals include the fire retardants in Class A and B foam. Fire retardants are foam or gel-like substances that reduce the flammability of materials. Fire retardants are usually dropped from aircraft, forming a protective layer that prevents the fire from spreading. Class A and B foam or foams can be used to coat fuels and reduce their combustibility. Class A foam is typically used for structural firefighting, while Class B foam is effective in suppressing oil or fuel-based fires. Backburning is a controlled fire ignited on the downwind side of an approaching wildfire. By consuming the available fuel, a backburn can reduce the intensity and spread of the main fire, creating a barrier that halts its progress. Various mechanical techniques are used to suppress wildfires, including bulldozers. Bulldozers can be employed to clear vegetation and create fire breaks. They can also be used to smother flames by pushing dirt, sand, or gravel onto the fire. And mulching and mastication. Mulching involves grinding vegetation into small pieces, while mastication uses heavy machinery to chew up and shred brush. These techniques can effectively reduce the fuel load and mitigate the spread of wildfires. Controlled burns, also known as prescribed burns or managed fires, are intentionally ignited fires conducted under specific conditions. They are used to reduce fuel loads, rejuvenate ecosystems, and create fire breaks. By burning off excess vegetation during controlled burns, the risk of destructive wildfires is reduced. In conclusion, various wildfire suppression technologies are employed to control and extinguish wildfires. From fire breaks to water suppression, fire suppressant chemicals, backburning, mechanical techniques, and controlled burns, each technique plays a specific role in combating wildfires. Understanding the range of available methods allows firefighters and emergency responders to tailor their strategies and protect lives and property more effectively.